is us having coffee before going to Nico. See you guys in Nico. We are now going to the train station. One last look. Say hi. And actually paglabas mo, dyan yung ayan yung tourism building. In front lang siya ng Sensoji Gate. And what's cool about this location is pag dumiretso tayo, yun, kita na yung anong building yan? Yung building na may parang foam sa taas, golden foam, Asahi. Yeah. That's the Asahi building. And then makikita din natin dyan yung Tokyo Skytree. Ayan, dito malapit na tayo. Ayan, kung sasakay kayo ng Ginza Line, yun yung dulo, Asakusa. Tapos dulo nun, Ginza, is yung Shibuya Crossing. Oh, ang araw. Yan, makikita natin dito yung Tokyo Skytree. Yan. Yun. Kita nyo ba? Yun, oh. Galing. Diyan tayo sasakay sa Matsuya. Skytree Line. What's funny about this, dalawang station. Isa yun, yung lumang station. At isang bago. Actually, pag sumakay ka ng JR Line, ay hindi, ng Ginza Line, dito ka bababa sa lumang station. Ito pa isang babaan. Gate number 8. Yan. Yan, that. Tapos merong ramen alley dyan. Merong ramen shop dyan sa baba. But we're not going there. We're going this way. Papunta ng Nico. We are going to Nico, guys. Half day. Sasakyan natin yung SpaceX. Yan ang sasakyan natin. Oh.
Charge nga, di ba?
Oo,
charge pa yung basic.
charge ka na ng rate ng excited, you know. So excited. Come here. Tayo excited going to Nico. These are all the stations going to Nico. That's our train. No, that's not our train. Joke. It's one of the train going to Nico.
Yung local. Si Ma'am, binili ko.
This is our souvenir for our train going to Nico.
まもなく5番線に特急スペーシア X1 号東武日光行きが参ります。この電車は特急券が必要です。
Nakaharang na ba ako? O di... Okay, that's our train. Wow. SpaceX. Nice.
お待たせいたしました。5番線の電車は特急スペーシア X1 号東武日光行きです。
Halika ko na.
この電車
Tayo ka
は
dito.
特急券が必要です。
Oo.
The train on track number 5 is a Spacia X Limited Express train number 1 bound
Halika na.
for Tobu Nikko. This is a reserved seating only train.
Yeah, this is our train going to Nikko. Say hi. Hello.
Welcome
Sa bag ko.
aboard the Spacia X number 7 Limited Express bound for Tobu Nikko.
Okay,
We will be
I got
stopping at
to...
Tokyo Skytree, 北千住、春日部、栃木、新鹿沼、下今市、and
一検査すごいね。これを入れてるサイズ。入れてる？サイズ紙につけて。
皆さん、東武金崎方面、東武宇都宮線三部西川田、東武宇都宮方面、JR 両毛線はそれぞれお乗り換えになります。各駅停車東武日光行き、降りましたホームこの後9時8分。宇都宮線東武宇都宮行き9時24分です。JR 線高崎行き9時10分、小山行きは9時41分。
Malapit na tayo sa Nikko, guys. Excited. Ganda ng trend namin. This is, again, SpaceX.
today.
电车即将到达终点站东武日光站，衷心感谢您乘坐的东武铁道电车。
잠시 후 종점 도부 니코에 도착하겠습니다. 도부 철도를 이용해
We
주셔서
are now in
대단히
Nikko,
감사합니다.
guys.
急変がありますのでお気をつけてお出かけください。本日はスペーシア X
ありがとう。Saan tayo lalabas? Dito. We are now here sa Tourism Information Center ng Nikko. At huwag na huwag niyong kakalimutan bumili ng ticket para sa mga shrine. These are the tickets. Yun. Dito kayo bibili. Yan, dyan. Okay. We're going out. Oop. convenience store din pala dito. Oo, yung bridge yung entry yata. Oh, it's cold. Wait lang. Ayun. Yan. So, paano tayo pupunta doon? Nasaan tayo?
Sa pupunta natin.
Pupuntahan natin to, tsaka to.
Kasi yung
Ano binayaran mo ba? Eto. That's the map. Oh. Nakita mo na? Dito yung main eh. So dito tayo pupunta. Kailangan natin matry yung ano nila. Ito oh. Wait lang ha. Yung famous kakanin. To yan. Bili ka niyan. Famous kakanin nila yan. Yun yung nasa ano. Oo. Nilalakad natin ang kahabaan ng Main Street ng Nikko from station. Lamig.
upo ka dyan.
Ha?
Upo ka dyan.
Oo. Ang cute niya, no? Ang ganda. Diba, lakad-lakad ka lang dito. Ganyan. Wait lang. Ha? Kurata. Kurata. Halika, Kurata. Kurata ko ng picture. Ang pangnan joke. Oh, in fairness, ang cute nila. Oh, look. Kurata picture. Ayan, pwede tayo mag-lunch dyan later, oh.
Okay ka lang.
Ha?
Uwi tayo 3 o'clock. Babalik tayo dito para mag-lunch. Ikot din. Marami, siguro marami.
We are getting nearer sa ating destination. Which, anong tawag? Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan. King. Basta yung Red Bridge. Ganda oh. Yung mountain may mga snows na. Oh, may steakhouse dun oh. O meron pa rin Nico Ka Naya Hotel. May steakhouse sila. Ang ganda ng swimming pool, oh. Eto, that's the bridge. Ayan na. Look. Walang tao. Ha? Oh, sige. Paano tayo papasok? $3. Oo. Sige. We are going to try the bridge. Yun na yung bridge, oh. Grabe, umusok, sobrang lamig. Pero magbabayad tayo ng magkano? 300 yen each. Okay. Let's go. That's the bridge. That's Eric. We are now going to the temple. The World Heritage Site, Nikko National Park. Okay. Hindi ko na nabidyohan pero may pinalik ko mga stairs. Sobrang taas. Kapagod. Hingal. And now, we're gonna go up again. Pero sobrang nice. Sobrang peaceful. Sobrang serene. Very World Heritage Site. So pwede ka palang hindi mag-stairs. Yan, no? Going down. Daanan din ng kotse yun. Saan? Wow! Look at that! Ang ganda! We're here. And that's the entrance for the temple. Grabe, ang ganda. Oh, may mga kainan pala dito eh. Oo. Oo.
May siya.
After mo palang pumalik ng mataas, marami kang makakainan pagdating mo dito bago maka-enter ng temple. Oh. Squid, oh. Barbecue. Say hi. Oh. What's that? Wow. Nice. Nice. Kako na kitang picture. Going down sa 270 steps. $100 na lang. Like that, we made it. Stone step and blisters. We're having coffee bago bumalik ng Tokyo. Dito sa Cheese Garden. Fairness, masarap yung coffee. Okay guys, see you sa station. That's the place. Yung first, masarap yung cheesecake and yung coffee. So pag napunta tayo dito ulit sa Nikko or nakapunta kayo ng Nikko, don't forget to eat here or try it. Sarap! We're going back to the train station. Grabe ang lamig. Pero hindi na tayo bibili ng ticket papunta dun sa station.
Sabi pwede ito yung taxi.
Oo. Yung pass na binili mo? Oo.
Sakto na yun. Page at bus.
Grabe lamig. Walang usok. Or bagmig. May konti siguro. Yan na, we're here na sa train station. Ayan. Very provincial ang peg. Sobrang nice. Tiring mountain, no? Sobra, nagigil sa taas, puro ano na, fog. Okay, we're here. Okay, pasok tayo dito. Ticket gate.
Ticket to Asakusa.
Oh. Track 1, ito. Yun, track 1. Ito, track 6, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. Ano oras ito aalis? Asakusa.
Shimaichi.
Oh.
Doon tayo pumunta.
Para makarating para masakyan natin yung yung SpaceX ulit.
Doon tayo. Yun yung station na bago dito eh.
Oh, okay. Okay, so we wait.
Punta na tayo. Kasi 350 pa yung Pero sigurado, di ba? Kasi baka hindi naman mukhang dito every how
Sige.
tayo magantay.
Oo. Pwede. This is us waiting for our train going back to Tokyo. See you guys in Tokyo. Oh, this is cute, no? Yeah. Grabing bundok. We are actually waiting for our train going to Asakusa. Nice. Now we are at Tokyo Skytree after several years. After so many years of going here, ngayon lang natin siya napuntahan. Nice. Okay, let's go. Tokyo Skytree. There you go. Haha. Nice. Look. Tokyo Skytree. Ha, nice. Pero palobat na tayo. Anyway. So hanggang maubos na lang yung battery. Say hi. Oh, nice. There you go. Okay. See you guys. We are crossing. This is the whole Shibuya. From the station to Hachiko over there. And the crossing. See, pag pumunta ka dito ng mas maaga, walang tao. Say hi. Tingin mo sa Hachiko, walang tao. Okay, let's walk. We are walking Shibuya. Nice. Look, walang tao. Oh, di ba? There you go. Winner. Okay. Maraming soba kasi sabi nila pag New Year daw you have to eat soba in Japan for good health and good luck and good fortune. There you go. Alright, Udon is here. Time to eat. This is the famous Starbucks Shibuya. Para you have an idea. And that's the overlooking. Tingnan natin. Can they? Yes, we can. There. And people. Ayan, let's just wait. Makikita nyo. This is actually one of the vantage point ng ng Shibuya Crossing. Itong Starbucks na to. Pero yung building na yun, pwede ka rin pumunta doon libre. You don't have to buy anything. Para ibang side naman. Yan yung building sa harapan natin. Nice. Shibuya Crossing! That's it, guys. Thank you for watching and see you again on the next one. Bye!